I'm just going to show you a quick demo of stenciling using Essentials Stencils, beautiful farmhouse stencils. Their number stencils are great. So I've just got these plain wooden blocks that I've painted with some milk paint, really rustic, so they're just offcuts really. But I thought they'd make great photo props for your baby when they're 1 year old, 2 year old, or 1 month old. And so I'm going to do 1, put the number 2 on the back, and I have 4 of those blocks, so we can go up to like 8 months, 9 months, then you can start adding, 9, 0, that kind of thing. So anyway, basic stenciling tips. If you haven't seen my stenciling videos before, I've got some on YouTube and also Facebook Lives. I just am dipping the very tip of my brush. Now I've shortened my brush bristles by just using a rubber band, super easy. Also wanted to mention, and here's my swirling technique, just swirling around. I wanted to mention that if you use the coupon code IRESTORE, you can get 10% off Essential Stencils. So there's that. And they ship really quickly. They're in the USA and Canada, but they even ship to Australia. There you go. How easy was that? So now I've got a stenciled one that can be used as a photo prop. So easy. And that is, we could let that dry and just give it a bit more of a rustic look if you wanted to, distress it a little bit, but how cool is that? I'll show you my finished project.